What's up, guys? Hey, so check it out. I got this new thing. It's not this one. This is what I'm going to replace. The engine start stop button. So I actually got this little thing here. Pretty nice and cool. So it's like some kind of JDM thing, I guess. It's only in Japan, huh? But we have it here. So it looks like I swapped some things out here and there, you know, some parts that I had before, sold and traded, and this is what I actually got from someone. So pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and install this and then check it out, check out the finished product at the end, see how that thing will look. Other than that, you know, we got, it's gonna match my red shifter knob. That's about it, all I have in here. But cool. Couldn't record this part because, you know, it's way over here. It's just me by myself. So those little things right here, you just gotta push them down, you know, push down, and then there's also one in the back. So you gotta push down and, you know, you gotta like squeeze it down at the same time, pretty much push the thing out. So it's like this. So from the inside here, you gotta go from the inside back here, and you gotta stick your fingers in there, push this little thing out, or press it, and then push it, press it and push it so it can unclip itself. So that's that one right there. And then this clip right here, it's actually pretty hard to actually remove. So I mean, you can't take this whole thing down because there's another clip down there. I don't want to remove all that. So this one here, I had like a push. I mean, you're supposed to push it, but you just can't with your fingers, you know. So what I did is I'll show you right now. So it's like this, you know, and what you're gonna do is just pretty much, it's gonna be all the way inside the little thing. It's clipped in right here. That's the only thing holding it down, the little groove right there. Just grab a flathead screwdriver. Pretty much once it's in. Oh, not that one. Oh, there you go. So flathead screwdriver just goes inside there, and push it, and then from there it actually pops out, or you pull it out. So that's how that's gonna work. So now we're gonna go ahead and stick this thing in there like this. It clicked, bada boom, bada boom. Clipped on really good, nice and easy. And now we're just gonna slap everything back on how it was. We got everything. Bada boom, bada boom. There's that one. This one back on. Line the clips. There it is. Put the screw back on. Bada boom. Of course. hopefully you guys like this video, and like and subscribe, you know, so I can just keep doing some more stuff.